How to fix iPhone 13 yellow screen problem. If your iPhone is stuck in yellow screen, then to solve it, first of all, what you need to do is you have to force restart your device. To do force restart, you have to follow 3 instructions. The first one is you have to press the volume up button. The second one is you have to press the volume down button, and the third one is you have to keep pressing the side button. You have to follow this step one by one, but you have to be really quick. Then you will see Apple logo in a black screen. Then you have successfully force restart your device. Once you force restart, your yellow screen problem will be solved in your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.